Okay, so yesterday, a couple of us who don't sleep early, like around 11 or 12 or 1, something like that, the news did bust out. And we're like, okay, let's sleep and wake up. Sensitive issues, you don't just talk about it. Then we woke up and we start seeing a lot of things. Normally, Tuface and his wife are not my mates, but because of the fact that we're not talking into the marriage, we're talking into things that people are bringing out from this stuff that would be a negative impact to the society. Now, first of all, I beg. I've seen actors coming out to say, any woman will post you for social media, that woman not be woman, that woman not be wife. Can you imagine? I don't understand. I usually think like maybe they treat, maybe women do they overtalk, or they show themselves, now they really understand some of the pressure that women go through. How do you come out and bash Annie Idibia? How? First of all, let me tell you something straight. Annie Idibia is in a union, a particular marriage that no girl prays for. When people can't pray for something, when you can't pray for something, say, so God, I beg, give me this thing. When you can't pray for it, it's not a good thing. First of all, no, we must say the fact. Tuface is a father figure, but when we see he's a king, but when the king fails, we say, hey king, you failed in this aspect. Annie Idibia got married to a man that every event, when comedian dey stage, he don't tire, he not get joke, now Tuface they do joke. Annie Idibia sat beside this man at every event, Eko Hotel, Musa Center, Abuja, Port Harcourt, everywhere, and every comedian uses her husband as a joke of the fact that this man goes around giving birth to different children here and there, here and there, here and there, and all their jokes. This woman has been laughing, been managing, and been supporting this man. When will they grow here? Man and woman will marry, they will go here and say, they say that woman, say the man get picking for her side. Say, hey, they say the man get picking for her side. And wow, that's what they talk on small. Now one picking the man get for her side, but we always fear the talk. Because when we hear it, and we see the husband and wife, we always feel like, with the picking where they both say, no, they will be near house. Annie Idibia got into a situation that no girl will pray for, that no father-in-law wants, any father wants for his daughter or mother wants for a child. Then you people are here attacking this lady. Why? Then we went on. See, let me tell you something. First of all, talking about the fact that she came out to post on social media, forgive that fact. Now, when you don't get money, when you never get money, when you have emotional issues, you're like, me money come and money go make marriage sweet, and money go make love sweet. Now, when you don't get money, I don't say emotional issue not be your mate. When you are emotionally down, when you are emotionally affected, when you are struggling emotionally and you dey suffer inside, what did it to come story call right? The way we dey attack Annie Idibia, if we attack Tuface like that, say to the bomb pastor like this, no good. The boys out there, we upcoming guys now we go understand. So, okay, as we born here, we will not bomb pastor again. No. The way they are attacking Annie Idibia now, if Tuface is being attacked like that, I think boys will have more morals. We cannot come out and attack Annie Idibia like this. It's a painful situation already, and we know. You understand? So for the actors and the people who have come out to talk rubbish about Annie Idibia, I feel so sorry for you. I pray you don't get into a situation where something that people cannot pray for. You understand? And lastly, we wish them to come back together. We hope that they come back together, love themselves, get back to their marriage again, and we all can just shut up and face what we used to do, or what we used to do, and face our business. Thank you very much. Can I have my beer, please? Thank you. Have a great week and good luck to the marriage. They must get back. Keep going. Keep pushing. Sure.
Updates.
Hey, Buhari. Buhari, you never hear. Hey, your children, internet don't catch fire.
Everywhere don't gas.
Annie Idibia versus Tuface Idibia. Hey, husband and wife. Hey. Husband and wife. The matter, Buhari, you never hear. Buhari, wake up. Hey, Buhari. Internet don't burst. Everywhere don't catch fire. Annie, our daughter, our sister, don't come out. Say she don't too bear.
Yeah.
Don't too much. Voila. Don't too much. Anything you don't vex. So she don't tire, she don't bear.
Oh, yeah.
She don't see husband for afternoon, she don't see husband for morning, she don't see husband for evening. And it don't come out. Internet now don't catch fire. All the people who don't like Annie now, they don't join Tuface. People who don't like Tuface, they don't join Annie. Everywhere now don't boss. Yeah. Annie accused the husband. Say the husband carry Pero and her children go Disney. They go enjoy. Say Pero come sleep the same room with two baba for nights. Plenty nights. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. I don't do leg walk for this matter. I don't do leg walk. And they come there, they count nights. Day 1, day 2, day 3, my husband. There with baby mama, counting nights. And he don't stop there. And he says she don't try her best to please Tuface and Tuface family. Say that all of us say, liar. No matter how you do as Annie, we not go feel like you. Say she don't tire. Annie come meet us on social media, complain to us. Now me say me must tell Buhari this matter. Since Buhari don't fit solve the problem of Nigeria, I believe say Buhari go fit solve the problem of Annie and her husband, Tubaba, our man. And the matter like with this since last night, me no sleep. Then they call me. Abba talk for Tuface matter, talk for Annie matter. Many people don't come out. They insult the woman. They insult Annie. They call Annie names. Annie this, Annie that. I will hear say Association of Baby Mamas. They want to do press conference today by 2 o'clock. Association of Baby Mamas. Annie not too much. Waiting. Annie say man who born for will not fit chop for the man again. Why? Father Abraham to Papa. We don't know who we want to join now. Because with the Paul Okoye and Anita Okoye matter that we did. We never said to our finish. That the matter, we don't even look for how we want to go reach Paul Okoye. Say, Paul, this is the way Anita talk. Now truth, I will tell you something the matter. Now, Tuface and the white pattern now don't come. Problem don't food land. The one who affect give us will never suffer. And that one don't join. The last time they accused me, they say I support Anita against Paul. Say I don't like Paul. Say I support Anita. Now that they look now, who me want support. Whether I want support Tubaba or I want support Annie. Who me want support her? Okay. Tubaba, you go talk. No, you Tubaba, you go talk. You hear? Tubaba, you go talk. Not quiet. Because they see the missiles. When your brothers, your sisters, they fire. They fire Annie. And I believe say Tubaba, they read comment. Your baby mamas, they read comment.
They enjoy
everybody, they read comment. Your sisters and your brothers, they fire Annie since last night. They fire Annie. We they look now. Now we go judge this matter. But I said I fair report this matter to Buhari first. To Buhari first. See, don't just the dance. See, don't just the dance. See, don't just the dance. Don't just why the dance.
Is it the
you know to settle this matter? See, don't just the dance. See, don't just the dance. See, don't just the dance. Okay.
Was the first woman to give Tuface his 3 first children. How do you feel being in love? One of Africa's most respected musicians, Tuface Idibia.
Idibia.
was brought to my life by my daughter. And they were going out. The first, I had the second, I had the third. And then they were just enjoying themselves. They grew up to whatever.
When it got closer, who do you see to be? Do you have any interventions for him, or you just welcome him as part of the family?
I don't just welcome him. I want to find out what is he after.
What is he after?
Yeah.
That is very, very fantastic.
And I got to know that he wanted to marry my daughter. That's all. So what can I do? I asked my daughter, what do you see in this man? Why? She said, you just love him. You love him. God bless you.
If you love him, God bless you. So you wanted her happiness too.
Yes.
Anytime you see those children come to you now,